Hi guys, welcome back to a new week in my outfits video. I think this is like the 7th one I'm doing. I'm not sure, maybe 6th, I have no idea, but I decided to do another one and I'm just gonna try to do these maybe like once a month or something. Today is Saturday, so we're starting on a Saturday. And I'm just gonna show you my outfit. It's actually all new. I literally just got it in. If you watched my week in my life, then you will have already seen it, but that's okay. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. So basically this whole outfit is weekday. The belt is Topshop and then my shoes are Balenciaga. I literally just got these 3 pieces in the mail and I'm so happy with them. I do have to get the pants tailored, but besides that, it's like all good. Really love the color of this shirt. I really have been like, it's almost like the same color as my well, it's like my favorite. And then this kind of like a fleecy shirt, and I really like it because I love wearing tank tops, but obviously like it's still too cold, so this way I'm able to kind of like layer it and it's like really cute. And then when it starts getting a little bit warm outside and like during summer and stuff, I can wear this maybe at like nighttime because it's not super thick, but it's like still warm, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's my outfit for today and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so today's Sunday. Today is just a lazy day. I went to hot yoga earlier, just washed my hair, which is why it's in a towel. If you've ever had braids, you'll know that this is gonna take forever to dry and it's just gonna drip everywhere, so I need a towel. But yeah, I'm just gonna be at home, so I decided to wear some biker shorts with a sweatshirt. This sweatshirt is from Lux to Kill. Biker shorts are Collusion, and then I'm just wearing some Nike crew socks. And yeah, it's not anything cute, but that's just gonna be it for today, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi, so today is Monday, and before I get into today's outfit, I just quickly want to share with you a life hack on how you can save money while shopping online, and that is by using Letty Shops. They're actually partnering with me on this video. So Letty Shops basically is a cashback service, and it basically helps you get a certain amount of your shopping expenses back, and depending on the store, the cashback can get up to 10% of your purchase amount. I've used Letty Shops once and I'm definitely planning on using them more often. I use them to buy these earrings on Etsy. All of these 3 and then this big one I got off of Etsy. It's always nice to be able to get a little bit amount of money back, especially if you're on a budget, if you're in college, in school, and you don't have a whole lot of money to spend. So there's 3 ways you can actually buy with cashback, which would be on their website, their mobile app, and the browser extension. I really like using their browser extension because I usually do my online shopping on my laptop, and you can easily check whether cashback is available at the shop you're going to buy from. Their service is available for everyone for free. After registration on Letty Shops, new users get a premium cashback of plus 30% during the first 7 days of registration. So I would definitely recommend registering at Letty Shops. I will leave the link down below. Definitely make sure to check it out. I will be using it, and if you want to be smarter with your money, I would definitely suggest just trying it out because you have nothing to lose. So this is my outfit for today. I am wearing this turtleneck sweater from Weekday and I really love this color. Like, I've just been obsessing over this color. I'm also wearing a bra again for the first time in forever and it looks kind of weird to me, but like also kind of digging it. And then my jeans are Monkey. I will leave a link to these down below. This is the first day I'm wearing them and I really love them. Definitely kind of have to wear them, like they're a little bit tight up here, but I know that like after a day of wearing, that's gonna like loosen up a little. And then my belt is from Topshop, and then I'm wearing my Doc Martens. These are the platform Chelsea boots, and yeah, really love these jeans. I might end up switching my shoes for sneakers later. I'm not sure if I'm liking this look. And then I'm also going to be wearing this bag that I've just been wearing. I don't know if it really matches with this color, but it's fine. This is just a bag from Monkey as well. I will also leave a link to this down below. Probably gonna wear this or maybe switch it for a black bag, we'll see. But yeah, that's my outfit for today. Don't mind the mess in the back, but this is my outfit for today. Starting at the top, I'm wearing these earrings. They're from Monkey. I will leave a link down below. They're a little heavy, so I won't be able to wear them for too long, but they're really cute and have like a little design on them, a little texture. Then I'm also wearing a turtleneck, which is also from Monkey. I wore it under this sweater because I thought it was like a cute combination. The sweater is from Lux to Kill. These jeans are actually new and I got them from Bershka and they're so cute. I just love the fit. And these are the first pair of jeans with rips that I have now because I didn't have any anymore, so I just wanted a pair because it's cute. And they're like really soft, which I like. And then I'm just wearing my Balenciaga Triple S sneakers and I have my hair half up, half down, about to go and take some outfit pics outside. And yeah, that is my outfit for today. Hi guys, today is Wednesday and this is my outfit for today. So I took out my braids, as you can tell. I just spent like hours washing it, taking it out, blow drying, straightening everything. And I just put it in a bun because you know me, like I don't wear my hair down ever. But I'm about to just quickly go out. It's really sunny, so I just want to take advantage of the weather and just run some errands, get some coffee. I'm wearing this cropped sweater, which is actually vintage from Depop. And then I'm wearing my Topshop sweatpants. I have to say I really love the fit of these, but they're like, the quality isn't the best. I don't know if you can tell. I want to get one of those like machines that help get rid of that. I don't know what you call that in English, but I do love the fit, so it's like annoying that they aren't the best quality, but it's whatever. I'm wearing some Nike crew socks, and then I'm wearing these Air Force Ones. I think they're, I don't know the exact name of these. They have like a pop-up collar, which I think is cute. And yeah, that's my outfit for today. Hi guys, today's Thursday and this is my outfit. So, put my hair in a bun, kind of, try to do my baby hairs. It's very new for me. I usually wear like a ponytail, but I actually kind of like the look of the bun. Also just went to a tanning bed and I wore those little eyeglasses wrong, so ignore that. Yeah, I really like today's outfit. It's too bad I don't have anywhere to go, but I'm definitely going to be wearing this again another day because I'm just going to be working from home. This little blouse shirt actually just came in and it's from Shein. I will be doing a video with them soon, so stay tuned for that. Then my little crop top is from Bershka. It's really cheap, love it. I'm always out of breath when I film this. I don't know why, don't ask. My jeans are Topshop, absolutely love these. I will try to leave a link to everything that I wear this week down below, whichever pieces I can find. But yeah, these are great. They have like a asymmetrical little waist thingy button. And this bag is also from Shein. Again, really love it. We'll be doing a haul, stay tuned for that. And then I'm just wearing my Jordan ones. These are just the white and cream ones. I really want to get some other Jordans, but they're just so hard to get in my size. So, I don't know. Yeah, that's my outfit today. Actually, I really love it. I wish I had somewhere to go because this is such a fire outfit. Hi guys, today's Friday and this is my outfit for today. It's actually the last day of this video and I think I'm ending it with a really cute outfit. So I'm just wearing my earrings that I wear every day. This turtleneck is from Weekdays, the same one as the green one, but just in white. And I'm wearing the same bag as yesterday. I really love it. I hate what it says on there. Like, it says some corny shit, but like no one's gonna look from that close, right? I hope. My belt is Topshop and these jeans are Weekdays. Well, I'm wearing a lot of weekday. And then I'm wearing the same Jordans I wore yesterday with some Nike crew socks underneath because these jeans are kind of short. Leave a comment down below if you want me to continue doing these like once a month. I think that's like a good amount. I was doing them a lot and I feel like it's just nice to do them once a month so that I have some like original outfits again. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.